Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los Diwits. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious red super spicy salsa for pozole. Today I made pozole, so I made some of this salsa for my pozole. Okay, let's start. These are the ingredients that we are going to need to make this red salsa super spicy for our pozole. We're gonna use a handful of chiles de arbol chili pods, half a cup of olive oil or any oil that you use in your kitchen, half an onion just cut in big pieces, 2 garlic cloves, salt to taste, and a half a cup of white vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar too. Okay, we're gonna start by frying the peppers. Okay, we're gonna start by adding the oil to our pan to start frying the onion, the garlic, and the peppers. Okay, I added the peppers, the garlic, and the onion, and I have my stove in high heat right now, and the oil is gonna start getting hot and it's gonna start frying all of our ingredients, and we're just gonna fry them until they are a little bit toasty. Be careful, don't burn them, and let's just keep frying them. Okay, the peppers and the onion are starting to change colors. They're frying. Now I'm gonna lower the heat to medium high so they don't get burned. And I'm gonna fry them a little bit more so they change a little bit more colors. Okay, the peppers change colors to a roasted color, dark. They're not burned. And now I'm just gonna turn off the heat. The onions and the garlic are fried too. They're cooked. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna let it sit there to let it cool down. Okay, our peppers cooled down already, so we're gonna blend it. We're just gonna add all the peppers, the onion, and the garlic with all the oil in the blender, and then we're gonna add the salt and the vinegar. Okay, I added everything. Now I'm just gonna blend it until it's smooth. Okay, our sauce is ready, and just blend it as smooth as you can, and then it's ready. And our salsa is ready for the pozole. It's thick and super spicy and delicious, and it's perfect for my pozole that I made today. I hope you like it, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Diwits.